This is how you can turn a plain, boring QR code into a powerful branded one that grabs attention and gets scanned more often. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create stunning custom QR codes using your business logo. First, go to brandedqrcode.com. This is the homepage, and as you'll see, these are the kinds of QR codes you can make. There are many types of data you can link the QR code to, as shown in this section. One standout feature is the ability to create mobile-friendly landing pages that you can connect to your QR code. These landing pages are great for showcasing your business details in a clean, mobile-friendly format. But for this video, we'll focus on creating a custom QR code with your logo. Start by clicking on Create Your QR Code. We will use their free trial. First, you choose static or dynamic. Now select the type of QR code you want. For example, a URL. Now let's begin customizing. Step 1. Upload your logo or image. Once uploaded, you can resize it, crop it if needed, and even apply a background color if your image is transparent. In my case, it is transparent, so for contrast, I will apply a dark blue color as the background. Then click on Apply Changes. Now you can continue customizing the overall QR code design. Choose from different QR patterns such as corner styles and pattern shapes. Then I will change the foreground and background color and ensure it has enough contrast. You can then add a stylish frame with a call to action like Scan Me. This is how you do it, but for this example, we'll go without a frame. The result is a QR code that doesn't just work, it looks great too. Once your design is ready, you can export the QR code. The platform lets you choose an export size based on where you plan to use it. So whether it's going on a small business card or a large printed banner, just increase the size to ensure it prints clearly and remains fully scannable. And here's a bonus tip. If you want more control and flexibility, use a dynamic QR code. You can try it using their free trial. No credit card required. This allows you to track how many times your QR code is scanned, where the scans are coming from, and which devices are being used. You can also change the destination URL later without needing to reprint the QR code. And that's it. You've just created a high-quality branded QR code in just a few clicks. It's fast, effective, and completely free to try at brandedqrcode.com. So give it a shot and make sure your next QR code not only works, but also represents your brand.